What if the goal wasn't to look younger, but to look alive? Not tighter, not anti-aging. Alive, luminous, responsive, with your skin functioning exactly the way it was designed to. Here's what most women over 50 experience, but rarely hear explained simply. Your skin doesn't suddenly go bad. It just changes the way it works. And if you treat it like a problem you have to fix, you'll keep buying creams that never quite deliver on their promises. Here's what no cosmetics company will tell you. Your skin listens to ingredients, not marketing. Some of the ingredients that actually wake up your skin cost less than your monthly coffee habit. Many of the ones that do absolutely nothing cost an absolute fortune. These are the 6 ingredients that dermatologists blindly trust for skin after 50. Our goal is restoration. Stay with me until number 6, because the last one is something entirely new that even many experts are just starting to discover. If you're ready for skincare that finally makes sense after 50, do me a favor and subscribe right now. It's completely free and you'll never miss the next video. Ingredient 1 is vitamin C, the brightener. You may have already noticed this shift. Your skin tone just isn't as even as it used to be. Dark spots appear more easily and fade much more slowly. This isn't random. After menopause, the skin gets a bit confused and produces excess pigment. Pure vitamin C puts the brakes exactly on this mechanism that creates those dark spots. At the same time, it is the absolute necessary fuel. Your skin needs to produce collagen. This isn't just an empty promise. A clinical study published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology followed women using vitamin C daily. The result? Within just 12 weeks, researchers recorded a clinically proven, visible reduction in dark spots and a significant improvement in wrinkles. Look for a good vitamin C serum and apply it every morning right before your sunscreen. And here is a little secret. Vitamin C actually makes your sunscreen work even better. You aren't just correcting past damage. You are actively preventing new damage. Ingredient 2 is retinol, the renewer. This is the point where many skincare routines simply stop working, and most women assume they've just gotten older. That's not true. After 50, our cells take much longer to renew themselves. What once took 28 days can now take twice as long. These dead cells pile up, making the skin look dull and making wrinkles appear much deeper. Retinol goes deep beneath the surface and gives a clear command. Wake up! Renew faster! The science behind this is undeniable. A landmark study in the prestigious archives of dermatology proved exactly how this works. Scientists found that applying retinol to mature skin not only noticeably reduced fine lines, but biopsies proved that the skin literally began to produce its own brand new collagen within 24 weeks. If you've never used it before, start very slowly. Find a cream with a low concentration and apply it only 2 nights a week. That initial dryness you might feel is just your skin adjusting. Ingredient 3 is peptides, the signal. Here is something most routines forget. After 50, it isn't just that we lose collagen. The real problem is that our skin forgets to send the signal to produce more. Peptides solve exactly this problem. They act like tiny messengers. They travel to the skin's factories and tell them, "Start making collagen right now." A fascinating study published in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science tested peptides on women in their 40s and 50s. Using specialized laser measurements, they found that after just 2 months of daily use, the volume and depth of wrinkles around the eyes had dramatically decreased as the skin rebuilt its structure from the inside out. Look for products that say peptides on the label. They cause absolutely zero irritation. They simply offer steady, deep rebuilding, day after day.
Ingredient 4 is
Argan oil, the shield. If your skin feels tight and dry, no matter how much moisturizer you slather on, then you are lacking good lipids, not water. After menopause, the natural oils our face produces drop drastically. And those oils are the shield that traps moisture inside. Without them, the cream you apply just evaporates immediately. Argan oil is nearly identical to our skin's own natural oils. It becomes one with your skin and locks in the moisture. To understand its power, a clinical study in the medical journal Clinical Interventions in Aging focused exclusively on post-menopausal women. Researchers proved that applying argan oil daily for 60 days impressively improved the skin's actual elasticity and its ability to retain water. Look for 100% pure argan oil. Just a few drops at night over your moisturizer are enough to repair your natural shield. Ingredient 5 is Bakuchiol, the gentle alternative. If you've tried retinol in the past and ended up red or peeling, it wasn't your fault. Your skin simply needed a kinder approach. Bakuchiol comes from a plant and does the exact same job as retinol. It fades fine lines and firms the skin, but without any of the discomfort. It doesn't cause dryness, and it doesn't make you sensitive to the sun. The greatest proof of this came from the British Journal of Dermatology. In a strict clinical trial, scientists compared retinol directly with Bakuchiol. After 12 weeks, both ingredients reduced wrinkles and dark spots to the exact same degree. The massive difference? The Bakuchiol group reported almost zero dryness, redness, or stinging. You can use it morning and night without fear. If retinol is too harsh for you, Bakuchiol isn't a compromise. It is the perfect choice for you. Ingredient 6 is PDRN, the ultimate repair. This is the ingredient I promised you at the start, and truly, it changes all the rules of the game. PDRN is an ingredient that has been used in medicine for years to heal severe wounds. Now, it has finally made its way into skin care. It doesn't just wake up the skin, it gives it the actual bricks it needs to rebuild itself from scratch. According to research published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences, when PDRN is applied to sun-damaged and aged skin, it measurably increases the thickness of the epidermis and erases inflammation from the inside. Studies confirm that it acts as a tissue regenerator, making the skin denser and far more resilient. Look for creams or serums that list PDRN or sodium DNA and apply it as the very first step on your clean face at night. This is what it truly means to turn back the clock, not with magic, but with biology. To wrap things up, your skin after 50 isn't broken, it just functions differently. And once you understand how it works, you can stop throwing your money away. Vitamin C in the morning clears away dark spots. Retinol or Bakuchiol at night renews the cells. Peptides give the command for new collagen. PDRN repairs deep-level damage. And argan oil locks in moisture like a shield. If you enjoy learning what actually works for your skin, based on real science, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We have a lot more to talk about. And let me know in the comments, which of these 6 ingredients do you want to start with? I'll reply and help guide you on your first steps.